Thank you, ma'am. Give me to this opportunity to discuss about the DC chopper. My name is Mutasim Billah. ID name is 19444421. Serial number is 34. Department of Tripoli. Subject Industrial Electronics and Device. Section A. DC chopper. Introduction. The power electronic circuit which converts directly from DC to DC is called DC to DC convert or DC chopper. The input DC voltage can be increased a step up or decreased a step down in output side, so a DC chopper circuit can be considered as DC equivalent to an transformer. Application of DC chopper: transaction motor control in electronics, automobiles, battery operated vehicles, control of DC motors, control of induction motors, trolley cars, marine hostage, forklift truck, mine haulers, switching mode regulator. Using semiconductor device in chopper, BJT, power MOSFET, GTO or post commuted thyristor. Principle of step down operation with resistive load. When switch is closed for a time, the input voltage Vs appears across the load. If the switch remains off a time, the voltage across the load is zero. The equation of the step down is V naught equals to kVs. Hence, the range of V naught is 0 to Vs. We saw the circuit that the chopper and resistive load are connected in series. Principle of step-up operation. When switch is closed for a time t1, the inductor current raises and energy is stored in inductor L. If switch is opened for a time t2, the energy stored in the inductor is transferred to load through d1 and the inductor current falls. The equation of principle of step up is V naught equals to Vs by 1 minus k. We saw that circuit chopper and load are connected in parallel. Switching mode regulator. Definition: the DC chopper which is used to control a unregulated DC voltage to a regulated output voltage is called switching mode regulator. Classification of switching mode regulator. There are four basic topologies of switching regulators: buck regulator, boost regulator, buck boost regulator, and Cooke regulators. Buck regulator. This circuit diagram is a buck regulator. In a buck regulator, the average output voltage VA is less than the input voltage VS. Hence the name of buck, a very popular regulator. The circuit diagram of buck regulator is using a power BJT is shown in figure 912a, and this is like a step down chopper. Main content of buck regulator is input voltage is greater than output voltage and input current is less than output current. Boost regulator. Circuit diagram of boost converter regulator. In a boost regulator, the average output voltage VA is greater than the input voltage VS. Hence the name boost. The circuit diagram of buck regulator using a power MOSFET is shown in figure 913a, and this is like a step up chopper. The main content of boost regulator is output voltage is greater than input voltage and output current is less than input current. Conclusion: in power electronics applications, since the switching element is either fully on or fully off, its losses are low and the circuit can provide high efficiency. However, the current supplied to the load is discontinuous and may require smoothing or a high switching frequency to avoid undesirable effects. In signal processing circuits are of chopper stabilize a system against drift to electronic components. The original signal can be recovered after amplification or other processing by a synchronous demodulator that essentially undoes the chopping process. Thank you, class. Thank you, ma'am.